Hi.
This is just live news. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Okay, may I know what's your name, please?
My real name or my Islamic
Well,
name?
both. Let's see about your
Okay.
real name.
My real name is Betsabe. That was in Christian times. But now, my name is Basma.
Basma. Where are you from, Basma?
I'm Mexican.
Mexican, okay. And are you born here or from?
No, I was born in Mexico. I came here 1 year and a half ago.
Okay. And how long have you been Muslim?
For a week.
For a week. Wow.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, that's good. MashaAllah. How did you know Islam? How did you, or let's talk about first about your life before Islam. What were you Christian, but what kind of Christianity were you?
I was a Seventh-day Adventist. You know, for some reason I think that Seventh-day Adventists and Islam have the same rules, but like they don't follow it the way they should. But I realized about Islam and that this is the right religion because you restrict about the rules that the way it should be, and there's just one God, and that God is Allah. And yeah.
That's good, alhamdulillah. Now, how did it start that you start to know about Islam? Like, did you know when you were a kid that there were another religion called Islam, or how did that process happen? I mean, I want you to tell me closely about all the details about your life.
Okay, my details about life. I was raised with a very Christian family. My dad was a little bit extremist, but then they divorced. And then I just didn't believe in anything. I mean, I believe in God, but I didn't believe in anything else. No religion, nothing else. And little by little, I started hearing about Islam. But I didn't really know about Islam till the day I came to the United States and I started looking at the women that were wearing hijab and everything. And for me, that was beautiful because we keep our real beauty, you know, like people will know you from who you are just because of personality, right? So for me that was right. And then I went to college, Richland College, where there's a lot of Muslim people, and I found my friend Lulu, and she taught me, and she told me about Islam, and she tried to explain what's the difference between Christianity and Islam, and finally I understood that Islam is the right way.
MashaAllah. Okay, now tell me about your feeling after you became Muslim. It's only like a week Muslim,
but it feels good.
That is so great. I'm sure that you feel so happy and all these things. Now about the changes, now you start to learn about how to pray, how to make wudu, you know, things like that. With the process, you know, that you're learning about Islam, do you feel any kind of, like some kind that there is some kind of dust on it, or like, you know, or like anything that could make you, you know, go back in one day or something like that?
No, I feel really good. I feel like something in my heart is burning just to learn more and more.
MashaAllah. And would you give a message for the world about your experiment as a new Muslim, and you know, anything that you would like to give an advice or any word like to the world?
Don't let people try to convince you for another kind of religion, but just look for the truth, and Allah will put the truth in your eyes, and you will find it, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much.